PrivateGPT got the new update and it provides you out of the box very simple to use UI. And by using this UI, you can chat with your private documents completely free. It will work entirely offline and you do not need GPU. It will work on CPU as well. So in this video, we are going to see how to install and set up PrivateGPT on your local environment, be it PC or Mac. Also, we will see how to use the UI provided by the PrivateGPT. And at the end, we will see how to change LLMs and embedding models to your liking. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first we'll install PrivateGPT on our local laptop. So right now I'm using Apple M2. If you're using Windows, you can also follow along. I will give you the documentation link as well. So right now, this is the PrivateGPT repository, which we need to clone first. So I will just clone it and here I will type git clone. I will just paste this and it got cloned. So here it is the PrivateGPT, which we have cloned. Now I need to create the virtual environment. So I will deactivate this one first and I will create the new one. So Python 3 module and we are using VANV module and I will call it VANV for PrivateGPT. And this is the updated version of PrivateGPT and it needs Python 3.11. So I was already using Python 3.11. If you can see Python version, okay, I just need to do it. So here I'm using Python 3.11. So the newer PrivateGPT requires Python 3.11. So I will just activate the environment, source venv bin and activate. So now as you can see our private environment got activated and we will just check if this one is also using the Python version. So this one should use Python 3.11. So we are set. So next step, we need to install the Poetry. So Poetry is a package manager which we can install by using brew, install and Poetry. So I have already installed it, but I will just run it and let's see. So you need to do it brew install Poetry. And as you can see here, Poetry 1.7.1 is already installed and up to date. And if you're using Windows, you can use Choco install Poetry. And here is the link of the documentation. As you can see, brew install, make and Poetry as well. So if you want to know how to install Poetry, you can follow the documentation as well. Now, the next step is we just need to, if you have installed it, we will check if Poetry got installed or not by using Poetry hyphen hyphen and version. So I have Poetry 1.7.1. Now I need to install all the dependencies which are required for the PrivateGPT. And we can do that by using this command Poetry install hyphen hyphen with UI. So we want to install Poetry. Oh, sorry, we want to install all the dependencies along with the UI. And I will just run this and it is giving me the error. I don't know why. Oh, we need to go inside the PrivateGPT directory first and then we need to run this command. And now it will work fine. So all the dependencies which are required for the PrivateGPT got installed. Now, if we open this PrivateGPT repository and if we go inside this script and if we open setup, so as you can see, here are some things which needed to be downloaded. And I will show you one more file. As you can see here, there is one file called settings.yml. And if I click on this and if we go into this local one, and as you can see here by default, it is using the block Mistral 7B model. And this is the model file. And the embedding model which is getting used is this one. So we can change this one as well according to our requirement and our use case. But right now I will keep everything as it is and I will just download all the models which are required. So for that, you just need to run the command poetry run and Python scripts and setup. So it will go inside the script folder and it will run this script. It will run this file setup.py. And if I run this, it will download all the required files. So I have already downloaded the embedding model as well as large language model. But let me see if it was available or not. I think it is getting downloaded again. So I just need to wait for it. So this LLM is 4.37 GB and it will take some time to download. And under the hood, PrivateGPT uses llama.cpp, which supports .gguf type of model. So just you need to be aware if you're changing the model, you need to use this kind of files. So I will just skip this once it gets downloaded. So LLM downloading completed. It took around 6 minutes and 20 seconds. So right now we need to build what you call llama.cpp. And for that, you need to run one more command. So I will give all the commands in the description as well, so you can run it easily. So here we are using cmake arguments, and we are using the metal on, and we are installing the llama cpp python by using some flags. And I will just run it, and it should get installed. So it is getting installed. Okay, so llama cpp python got installed perfectly fine. Now we can run the server. We can run our UI by using this command, private gpt underscore profiles equal to local make run. So it will run this in the settings.yml file. If you see, here is the local one, and this is one of the profile. So it will run this, and if I just press enter, it will open up the server, and it will run the UI, the Gradio UI on the port 8001. So let's just wait for the UI to start up, and here is the UI. So the server is running on localhost 8001, and I will just open this inside the server, and here is the UI. So as you can see, there are three modes in the UI. One is query docs. So if you upload any PDF, Excel, or any other file, you can talk to your file. Another one is search inside the doc. And the third one is LLM chat. By using this, you can chat with your large language model directly, just like you do with ChatGPT. The only difference is here the model will be the open source one like Mistral 7B or Llama 2. So let's just upload a file. So I have uploaded one document here, state of the union.txt, and now we can talk with it. So let's just ask summarize this document, and let's see what happens. So we will just wait. It will take some time because I am running this on the CPU. I am not using any GPU. So it will take some time, and I'm also using the screen recording software. So it might be a little. So I asked it to summarize, but it got stuck because I'm using screen recording software as well. So I just asked the another question, which is what is said about Russian president in the document, because this document was about some geopolitical issue, and this was the answer. So this is how you can use the UI of the private GPT. And also, if you want to change the models, you can go to this settings.yml file, and here, as you can see, in the local one, if you can change the block Mistral 7B, and here you can change any other model repo from Hugging Face, and here you just need to put in the gguf file. This will only support gguf because behind the scenes it is using llama.cpp, and this is the embedding model. So here you can use any other mpnet or sbird kind of models, and you can change the names here, so it will download it. Also, you can use this complete thing on AWS SageMaker as well. So if you want me to make video about this, so you can comment down. And also, if you want to watch the entire video, like how this private GPT work internally, so I have already made a video about it. You can check that out. So hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much.